There we go. Is that Calypso? Calypso's small.
Yeah, right? But I don't know what to think. That's a big bird.
Is that Max?
Okay, yeah, I love her. I love her. Yeah.
I know. Isn't he tiny?
Oh, yeah.
Look how tiny.
Who's that, Max? Hey.
My arm's already sore from holding them up.
I cannot get over how much does he weigh?
I don't even know right now.
I think about a pound and a half.
We're a kilogram and a half.
Quite big.
Yeah, you're a big boy.
What does he weigh?
A kilogram and a half.
A kilogram and a half. Holy shit.
Yeah, he's only supposed to be 1.2 kilograms at the top end, but he didn't quit growing.
I haven't weighed in a long time.
How old? How old is he?
27.
Okay, he's about the same age.
Yeah.
You know what? All the Moluccans, is he from Calgary?
He was. I got him when he was 10.
Okay. I
But-
got him when he was 9.
Yeah.
But I think they were all from the same guy who there's only, because all the Moluccans that I know are around the same age.
Yeah. Here you go, buddy. Isn't that exciting?
Hi, Max.
Hey.
How are you, buddy?
Oh, that reminds me, I'm going to get Tom to take pictures of my boy.
Hi, baby.
So that we can show
Look,
them.
that's Quentin. And Maltran's Peter.
Benson.
Yeah, we're from the school.
Yeah.
Max.
Do you want to go to
You
school,
don't need
Max?
school. You're perfect, Max. You don't need school. Yeah. Hi. How you doing?
Well, he was great. He put on his hoodie in the car and then refused to get off of his carrier wearing the hoodie.
That's okay, buddy.
Fozzie, say hi to Max.
Fozzie.
Hi to Max. Fozzie looks so small against Max.
Yeah.
The other Moluccan, Corky, looks small compared to Max.
Hi Max, see you later Max.
The greater passa. Kiko. Do we want to win some beer and wine? Would that be fun? Let's keep going. Oh, look at these. My bird nest. And here's the Edmonton Parrot Association. Look at that.
Hi, Max.
They know you.
Hi.
That's very polite, Max.
Very good. You like the way?
He's just so happy. He has not been doing meetups all year.
Awesome. Yeah.
Lots of goodies here. All right. And walks to here. Here's Corey. Tiny.